Let's check if it's red.
Getting from red to white. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to cook a rohu fish curry. So today we bought some fish from the market, so we're going to make it into a nice Indian meal with some nice masalas. So this is the rohu fish from the market. So first we're going to marinate all the fish nicely with this turmeric, salt and mango powder and lemon juice. So we're going to keep this for some while, and meanwhile we're going to make some spices. So we're going to use this mustard seed, jeera and black pepper and coriander powder, and we're going to grind it with this mixer after adding a little bit of water. Also we're going to add some garlic for the nice taste. So it's getting ready. So why we're going to grind this is that because we want to have a soupy curry, and we don't want so many masalas floating in the soup. And once you get these grinded, it's gonna mix with all the nice ingredients and make a nice flavor. So after some while, you can see this paste has become white and quite in nice consistency. So after having this spice paste, we're going to make the tomato and onion paste. So first we're going to cut all the onions and fry it in the pan, and after the onions getting slightly brown, you have to add the tomato like this, and these cut tomatoes will be followed with a little bit of salt, and you have to fry it for some while. This tomato and onion is gonna make the nice smell. So after some while, it's gonna be getting a little bit soft, and you can put the lid also to make it a little bit brown and soft. So after some while, it's gonna be quite soft. So just put it aside, and meanwhile we're going to make the deep fry of the fish. So today we're gonna use the mustard oil. This is gonna make some nice flavor in this meat. So first we're going to heat up the mustard oil in this pan, and after that we're going to put all the fish inside this. So this stage is going to take a little bit of time, so we're going to keep this, and after some time we're going to flip it. So meanwhile we're going to make this tomato and onion paste by using the mixer again. So we're going to put all this fried tomato and onion into this mixer and grind it. You have to be quite careful because this paste is still quite hot because it was fried in the pan. So this paste is going to be quite essential for all the curry taste, and after grinding it becomes like this. It becomes like an orange sauce like this, and look at this consistency, it's quite thick. So let's go back to the fish. We have fried it for some while, so we're going to flip it. You can see the red meat has become a little bit white, and in some places a little bit brown or yellow dark color. So this is a nice timing to flip it, and if both of the sides become quite brownish, you can put it out from the oil. So when frying, if the fish is sticking to the pan in the bottom, it means the fish is not so fresh. And in our case, our fish was bought from the most freshest markets near our house, so it is not sticking so much to the pan like this. And as you can see, this giant head of this rohu fish is also gonna get fried, and this is gonna be the most delicious part. I like this the brain and the cheek of the rohu fish. These were tasting quite different from the saltwater fish I was eating in Japan, so it's quite interesting. So after frying the fishes, you have to make the paste. So you have to first fry the oil and add some jeera, and after heating up the pan, you have to add the paste of this spice and mix it for some while. And after mixing for some while, you can see this paste of this spice has become a little bit browny color from white color, and that's the time you have to add this onion and tomato paste. So after you add these and mix these, you can add some soy sauce and some green vinegars and whatever taste you like. But this time we added a little bit of fish oil also. So we're going to fry this paste a little bit more and make it a little bit more brownish color, and make the ingredients get a little bit burnt so that it makes nice taste. And after it becomes a little bit dark color, you can add a little bit of water. And we like soupy curries, so we add a little bit of quite much water here. And as you can see, all the water is boiling and making some nice soup. So now finally we're going to add all these fried fish like this and make it like a final version of this fish curry. So after boiling this fish curry for some while, everything is done. So you just get ready for the rice and a little bit of raw onion as a side meal, and you can get this gorgeous fish curry. So I hope you could enjoy this video. So please try in your house also, and let us know if it went well. See you in the next video.